When you feel scatterbrained, your simple choice is to recognize it and choose to relax. We all know the importance of taking breaks, but how many of you actually do it on purpose? Let's work with our brain. I know it seems super simplistic, but this is literally life-changing for us creatives who need to focus for long periods of time. This is going to be a skill each and every one of us can learn and get better at. Here's a couple ways you can do it. Number one, practice deep breathing. More often than not, when you're stressed, you won't realize it, but you'll be taking shallower breaths. If you change that and focus your attention to your breath and you take those long, deep breaths for 60 seconds, that's all it takes. Do some deep breathing. If you want to take it a step further, go into full meditation. Those of you who meditate that have made that a practice, you're probably not feeling as scatterbrained as those who don't. Whether you use an app, whether you use a guided meditation session, whether you're laying on the floor and you're just literally focusing on your body and your breath and you're telling yourself to relax, this can help plug back in your prefrontal cortex. You'll feel it. I like to picture plugging back in. As soon as you've got your prefrontal cortex back online, you can choose what to let go of, what you will do, what information you will not process. You'll be able to better choose what to ignore. The fact of the matter is there's going to be too much information. That's never going to go away. With your prefrontal cortex online and plugged in, you'll be able to choose what to ignore. By doing that, you'll be able to choose what to focus on. When you feel frenzied, you can't figure out which of the 100 things clamoring for your attention, stop and do nothing. Relax. Go outside, take a walk, get in nature if you can. Don't try to force it. You're going to be spinning your wheels if you try to force it when you feel frenzied because, remember, prefrontal cortex is offline. The only way to feel focused again is to plug it back in. It's okay to take a break. It's not a race. You have plenty of time. Take 5 to 10 minutes to reboot and come back stronger.